Accessing your Alaska Airlines EasyBiz account is straightforward. Begin by navigating to the official Alaska Airlines website. Locate the EasyBiz login section, usually found at the top or bottom of the homepage, or within the business travel area. Once you've found the login, enter your designated EasyBiz username in the appropriate field. Following this, carefully input your associated password. Double-check both entries for accuracy to avoid any login errors. After confirming your credentials, click the prominent Login button. Upon successful authentication, you will be seamlessly directed to your EasyBiz account dashboard. From there, you can effortlessly manage your company's travel arrangements, view booking details, track spending, and access various other features tailored for business travel management. Remember to keep your login credentials secure and consider using a password manager for added convenience. For any assistance or forgotten credentials, utilize the Forgot Password link, which will guide you through the recovery process. Enjoy the streamlined experience of managing your Alaska Airlines EasyBiz account. Need help with your booking or airline policies? Call our customer support now at 1-855-547-0830 for quick and reliable assistance.